In this tutorial, I will show you free-form pen tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. I am accessing free-form pen tool from here. This is pen tool and this is free-form pen tool. So free-form pen tool adds anchor points as you draw paths or shapes. It adds anchor points as you draw shapes. So say I am clicking here and drawing. You can see that it add anchor points in the paths. I can easily customize this. If I click here, I am 3 pixel, taking 3 pixel path option, and I am also can making this is green, so it will be now showing the green, the path, anchor points path. So then this is open path. I am making and close path. You can see I am individually freely drawing the line, and you can see when it will be show in an degree sign below the freeform pen tool cursor. Just release the cursor and it will fill the shape as a closed shape. So that was open shape and closed shape. Also you can draw any shapes. Then you are want to release your mouse. Then you need to hold down Ctrl from keyboard. Hold down Ctrl and release the mouse, and the shape will automatically closed and make it a closed path. Also, if you want to draw a straight line, you can do it with this pen tool. So as just you need hold down Alt and release the mouse. When mouse, then you can see if you can make any straight line, diagonal line creating. Just clicking here and clicking here and clicking here, there and clicking here, and then do not release the mouse, and again release the Alt from keyboard, or do not need it, but you can draw and you can just leave, and the shape will be created here as closed shape. Also here is a option. You can see this is curve fit. I am making it highest 10 pixel to demonstrate it. You can see I am drawing a line. Now I am on the curve fit 10 pixel. So you can see that the curve fit, when this is the path options, curve fit when 10 pixel, the less anchor point and the smooth curviness. I am making it less 0.5 pixel, the minimal value of the curve fit. Now I am drawing in shape here. You can see I am closing, and you can see there is much more anchor point, and the path also is not enough smooth or less smooth than the higher curve fit value. So that was for this first part of freeform pen tool. I hope you have learned something from it. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.